yakwa ina into I'm in 7 no baby how do you best start bia.
First of all, let me mention this. On the way Brazil a squad in the bar, you know. There are a section of Nkofo, they are surprised why arguably and probably Chelsea's best player of the season, Joao Pedro, I may say out of the squad. No. Now, a BBC say, you know, and I'm the BM say the argument of national team call-up and the Nkofo Bretai can say it must be based on merit, you know, is overemphasized, you know. Because a merit there, then Obia the definition will come on board and say, oh, Joao Pedro or deserve it or undeserve it. But we all know say the call-up is sometimes and are largely based on coaching and the Jumano or in a technical team or more discretion any or more decision. There's nothing more than that. I Ancelotti in the chair say, "Mbesa di way ko walk up, mbesa di way beko." No, there is no other definition to say on her bibi so no fan fresh squad dabi. Any decision, any discussion, any doji say ohian or camp, any do ohian or camp. And see, sometimes when there is a national team call-up debate, then China and it must be done on merit. I always ask, what's the definition of merit? Anyhow, it is never there. And once based on discretion in the then everybody have the right to introduce or also the other strategic points be obvious or they introduce it to
coach will play and
exactly. Me say the decisions and the discussion of coaches during collapse, it's me bar to favoritism. I favor this player than this. Coaching or no as player we open as some chin way. Finito. There is nothing you can do about it. Norwich, Arsenal has really given themselves the final opportunity to win this year Premier League, you know. And it is because Nhyira, they did the job against Burnley. Now, I think it was last 2 days, Sunday, you know. When I'm ex-son, I'm going to say, Aquabia tweet, say, in the last 2 games, never bought Premier League anymore. Arsenal won, Burnley 0. Bournemouth 0, Man City 40 goals.
Hey.
Then in the final game against Crystal Palace, Arsenal won. And as a Crystal Palace 0, Arsenal won. Then Man City 20, Aston Villa 0. Arsenal still wins the league. Yeah. The point the guy wanted to make here is he doesn't need Arsenal to be flamboyant and score 200 goals to win the league. Say Arsenal bet mine 1-0 against Burnley. No, in the last game they win the league. And see, Arsenal really gave themselves the opportunity. Say at least they have a final game to play. Within some 90 minutes. So Mutimi winning game now. They are crowned champions. But before that, Arsenal could even win the league today. Say Enyoma could jigu our Bournemouth against Manchester City. Arsenal could win the game today. And see, almost jidi not this season almost supporting Arsenal, you know. Rich, they will not even want to wait for Sunday. Mekahumbi. Yenyaya no man junungu ene Yama City. Then Ochinano we can start celebrating Arsenal League, you know.
Your own Pep Guardiola.
Yes. I think this season Arteta deserved to win the league than Pep. I think really in my heart said this season Arteta had a very good team, better than Pep Guardiola Diana. And see, the job was done for Arsenal yesterday, and then it's CTC. So if they still want to postpone at the end to the weekend, we are ready. But so man, say na a car be free, baby, bomb to the celebration will start tonight. I know say Bournemouth will give them a very, very good game. So over the rest of the fixtures now, aka for those two teams now. Bakupa a very, very cagey for City and Umbabon and then you may against Bournemouth. In the how was our games, you know, ABC Akko. And before I proceed, no, And I'm saying I don't announce my quotes our platform no so but go for the boss who are me post say course nedia then they are like oh now one can show no so and I said yes I any time until they come socials now you find the course there. Now Rich, this is my last submission on the foreign. Me who how I mean started and come on. Afei Chelsea fans now they had a problem with Chelsea. When you with Enzo Maresca. Now eventually the coach had to leave in January. No? And time announcement in the bar said Pep is leaving and Maresca will be replacing him. No? How did they feel? Me say, Rich, the best examples are not far from us. The best examples are right within our same environment. And let me give you a classical example. Metia CCA. Me hear you mama Nhyira FM multimedia. Rich. Se me ko na me go catch multimedia for. And that is what happened during Maresca time at Chelsea. October. Oko catch Chelsea for say on City for representatives I share Eddie Nkomo about possibly taking over City. Say Pep Guardiola ekwa October. Mm-hmm. Then in mid-December, he went back to tell Chelsea BM say Osani City representative as on a possible job say Pep Guardiola ekwa he will take over. Rich, if I go to Jimmy, now me go catch Jimmy say, oh, last month, many radio station A and Kofukushia say possibly met me akwakoye adwuma di ama wo mo. I say okay. Not this month, me sa kobiem. Me sa koya me say oh, me sa the same radio station A efa akodi nkomo say, omo say I said they want to make some changes, binto omo make changes now, they will come for me. Rich, in the ideal situation of multimedia, what do you think they will do?
Replacement.
They will start questioning your loyalty to Omo. And so Munyaya, now saying they can move on from you. They will move on from you as a company. That is exactly what Chelsea did with Enzo Maresca. They knew, look, Enzo Maresca had coached Man City under 21. Omu promoting to be assistants at the senior team under Pep. Enti oye adwuma wo institution in pa mo say the otitie ansa all call Leicester City. The moment omu say omu nya adwin bi say oh Pep no be, especially when Tiklibergestan left. The right hand man no. Okoya Mudi who go Vienna buy the Pep was only buying time. So when Pep decided to tell them, so look, it is likely I will go. Into me catch mo starting mo background check na mo pay me replacement no. Now if in 2 meetings they meet Enzo Maresca, what Maresca is doing as the head coach of Chelsea is flirting with another team in the Premier League. And in a normal corporate environment, obvious so sad so. No matter how good you think you are, so if a company who say you no more have your loyalty with them, Rich, the best companies will do whatever it takes to move on from you. Oh, you good said there, so go on hobeko. And me assure for a section of the Chelsea fans, and now when it became clear, say, oh, Pep will call Enzo Maresca will be coming, they will understand why Chelsea for the man here. Because imagine, say, oh, Rich, Sanka Enzo Maresca ka Chelsea. Na onimoni team, say Pep will call and okwa. Or prefer the Man City job more than the Chelsea job. Nanka okoswa ni mpenyin for the ohono because onu say onam kwasa o konti na entokwa no obeke kansem wo press conference no obeke kansem no otro mpenyin for under the bus. Anything and AC within Chelsea and also maintaining internally no. Now they are bad until because it's not diplomatic anymore. Because when you say you want no or kwa give him. In any case, Rich.
Oh no, you're Canadian.
No, you see. You see, there is nobody I say only the Canadian Into only any diplomacy in him. Even the most vocal people still have diplomacy in them. Why the Canadians in Jose? Has Jose told the Portuguese press Real Madrid? But we all know so Real Madrid. But even with the two games and with Benfica, he played down on the issue, knowing very, very well say, aka 2 games are able. He chase a certain spot in Europe. Some the agitations will be bad. And even the most vocal people still uphold a certain level of diplomacy. So why yes now? Within any corporate environment, Rich, they will always try and move on. Now you see, my point in here. Oh yeah, Juma or Chelsea. Do you fancy a Man City job? You are a head coach of Chelsea. And at the same time, you the same person, you fancy working at Man City. You can't eat your cake and have it. Never. You can't. Rich, Pep Guardiola will be leaving the Premier League as someone who came, saw, and conquered. Yes.
Pep
10 years on the English soil, we're winning 20 trophies. Out of the 20 trophies, almost 6 a Premier League, Rich. He has won Man City almost first ever Champions League. Wabe matches Sir Alex Ferguson with the treble in the English Premier League history. Or the Premier League, or the Champions League, or the FA Cup last season. Only Sir Alex Ferguson and now why you be on the English soil with an English club. Pep Guardiola came to match it. He has defined football on the English soil. I read an article on the Athletic and San Nhyira Studio. And Athletic is predominantly an English media portal. Rich Omudi Adansia say Pep Guardiola has affected their football.
And it's true.
Even to grassroots. And
the English game,
Oko grassroots to Krana. They are teaching them to play from the back. They are teaching them to uphold possession football. They are teaching them to string passes in this one. All inspired by Uriah and Pep Guardiola. That is what he does. Rich, in the world of football, their coaches are defining errors. Pep has done his. And nobody dares disrespect him as a generational professional. In a Jumana Oyeno, Rich, Pep, enormous. Now, Bibi, even time all baby wumpo, when Pep is saying goodbye, Obianim said, we're back from his levels in English football. There is a dead Pep. He's on his way out. Obianim said, since a Pep by Man City, so far probably in the first season now. That is probably in the worst team of building our Man City. And Numpono Rich, he had won the Carabao Cup, we're winning the FA Cup, and Oma Arsenal for sweat before they win the English Premier League. That is the legacy Pep, Asia English football. And Oma Juma, ne competitors along the way. Players are influence you whether Omo Juma mano and as Omo Juma in opposition. Managers are fun as say as assistant Omo my opponent in the other dugout during the games are all going to say very, very nice words about Uriah friend Pep Guardiola. Now me one big lesson, sir. Rich, one big lesson I'm sharing and I want to share with Omo Mutie before I made Manubesi and say, Rich, do you know what makes Pep Guardiola great? Their man here very, very great. The way me taste for high standards never drops. And Subambia Obiasa Ofasa de Babo Bra. You can only be successful and be more successful.
Now, relax.
It's
okay.
Yes.
That's
Medru. You have to always have a taste for high standards. Rich, the day you wake up and you feel then you have to stop. You must always strive to do better than the way yesterday. More research, more reading, more investment in your craft as a pundit, as a host, as a presenter, as a journalist. The moment you say, what do they pick and that, there is nothing more you can add. Rich, the success they say a party waits from you. That is the reason why there are some games Pep Asher 3 and still be shouting at his boys to score 4, 5, 6. Yeah, games were where we pong game were winning and come there on space and moment to cranko dressing room. Back in this one was starting to catch up how we mistake how we away Pep taste for high standards and it's success, Rich. It is idea. A man ye fu ono a man ye pep no and say open asem ujiri greatness dia na upe baby asua firi ho. That is what you must learn.
Okay, George, I said good morning, guys. I really enjoy watching your sports. You always make my day so special. George, and now this message at the Abraham Sylvester said, Ayala, the Brazilians forced Neymar and Carlo Ancelotti. I said, no more Massima. And
who the Brazilian force Neymar how?
Or say, or say, I say, Omana, Chinchina, Oma catch up and it's a fan Neymar.
What evidence does he have? Look, Neymar's figure in Brazil is big.
Where big Neymar?
And me assure say, even without proper evidence, Rich, Adema Carlo Ancelotti enemy Neymar as part of the Brazilian team will be the spirit of the Brazilian people.
Okay.
He wants to carry that to the World Cup. And it is a World Cup being played in America. Rich, the last time America, a host of the World Cup, 94.
Yeah.
Who won it? Brazil. In the finals against Italy. So whenever World Cup hosted in America, they've done well. And one of the things you need to do is to always carry the spirit of the nation with you at the senior national team. And to say, if in the build up to the final call up, if Neymar and say he's the embodiment of the spirit of the Brazilian people, a lot of them are saying, look, no matter who he is, no matter the form, take him there. We want to see him there. He carries us there. Then he say, okay, let's go.
Some of do mean for the intro so say will Alonso to ditch Chelsea and fancy the Liverpool team in the future. Ayala has really made a valid point about coaches who have a love for some specific clubs. They started their career. Some of do another message at the Abraham. All right. Intros right now. Yemrefi yemfa afisam no emfa entroso emamo. Na said they started showing me catch them no